All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow, and we're going to talk about ticker symbol OCGN, Ocugen Inc. And I want to go ahead and cover this. I know that this can change from the moment I go ahead and point out these points of reference, but we're going to look at it closely, and I want you guys to be aware of this because a lot of investors get really excited when there's a slight jump, and a slight jump doesn't always mean, okay, we're going back to the moon, especially a stock this volatile and a stock that's been going downwards. So this jump was a healthy jump, but it quickly turned around, and I really felt the need to talk about it before even the end of the day, because this is actually now going back in a downtrend. So our new resistance level, yes, it's that high reached here pre-market turning into, market hours, and that was 271, and it quickly started to fall down, and we hit lows here of about, in this same candlestick in the last 30 minutes, of 210. Now it's currently sitting above the 50-day moving average, right, which is good. The 50-day moving average is 223, and also we have a closer moving average that spiked up with the stock here. You could see it, which is 222. If that gets crossed, which basically it's both of them, and this starts to work its way below it, I mean, this is definitely going to be dominated by the bears, and we need to watch it very closely. I'm not saying that they're going to destroy the chart, but it's something to keep in mind. And also, we want to keep in mind the fact that the MACD has not been that strong compared to how bearish it was. You could see here the MACD is showing us how there's a lot more red candlesticks, or bars if you want to call them, and the candlesticks are up here, and then the lighter ones were coming back, so it was showing that there was possibly a reversal. We needed to watch closely, and we saw that it definitely happened here. It bounced up, but that's only what it's done so far. If these candlesticks continue into that lighter color and they start getting smaller and closer to the midway point, and these blue and yellow lines start to go back now down below, right, the midway point, like they did here, this could be on its way down to newer lows and newer support levels. So we have a few indicators here to watch. We have the previous resistance level, which is 196. If that gets broken through, which is now support, that's a big sign that this is going to newer lows. And we also have the 210 point, which is another support level that was just created. And if this breaks through 222, which is literally the closer moving average and 1 cent off from the 50-day moving average, this will be on its way down to newer lows and newer support levels. So I want every single investor to be aware of these going into the day trading Ocugen. And I found it very interesting that it spiked up very fast, and just as fast as it spiked up, it's fallen down, and it's kind of holding itself up right now, but it fell down pretty fast in just a matter of an hour. So I wanted investors to be aware of this. Watch this closely. I mean, there is potential here. We did a full analysis on this one yesterday, but I still felt the need to talk about this and point these points out. So I hope that you guys found this helpful and informative. If you guys did and you're a first-time viewer, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watched this video, and share this with your friends and community so that everyone could be aware of these insights and points of reference. Thank you guys so much, and let's make some money.